Look at families go to these carnivals to have fun, kids run around, play games. And now we got chomos trying to meet kids, minors, at carnivals. And what is the world coming to? They get a slap on the wrist, they get let go, and we gotta pay the consequences. People on here yelling, screaming, having fun. Nobody's thinking about picking up a minor at a carnival, but a chomo is. He thought I was 14. He wanted to meet me at the carnival. We never met up because I didn't answer him right away. So he blocked me on the app. He thought I was going to ditch my friends, meet up with him, go back to his truck in the parking lot, and he can have his way in a semi-truck in a trailer. I walked around and looked for him, but I didn't get a good picture of his face. I was looking for him. I was there all day. I was trying to find him. This way I can approach him and get an interview on him. Just to expose him and turn him into the police. And the military was there at this type of carnival. And I was going to turn him in and try to get him arrested. Because nobody should go through these situations. I mean, these kids are having fun. And you know, late at night, teenagers roam off. Parents leave them. They got a beer garden there. You know, parents sit in a beer garden. And the kids run off by themselves with their friends. They're having fun. Well, nobody's thinking about a creep roaming the carnival trying to pick up a minor. Nobody's thinking of it. I mean, two girls on there just having fun. Boys. Just young kids, you know. It's a weekend. Everybody's having fun. I know I haven't been doing a lot of exposures, but I also been working. And I got other things. But nobody's thinking about a creep trying to pick up their kid while they're at a bear garden. But the chomo is. I couldn't find him, but I'm going to go about a different way to expose them. Because now these creeps are getting smarter. They think they could talk to minors on the phones, stand them up and not meet them. But I'm going to try to get a picture out of them and expose them that way too, if I can't get an interview. Because we need to know who they are, what to look for. And you see kids by themselves on here, they're having fun. Nobody's worried about a chomo trying to touch and expose these little kids. But he is. He didn't come here to have fun. He came to take advantage of these young minors. So, if we can get an interview out of them, we will get their picture, we will get them out there. One way or another, somebody will know who they are, know their real name, you know, because they're getting smarter, because some of them are getting exposed on this app. So if I don't get an interview, like I said, I'm going to expose them that way. Because they're getting smarter, they're getting exposed on apps. Multiple. So I will be exposing more.